Welcome back to the channel. So something told me to go up this way. I was walking down a concrete path and I saw an arrow pointed this way. And so I made it up this way. And then when I got up here, I saw that there is a field of wishes. There is literally a whole field of these wishes. They're all mine! But no, seriously though. There's a whole field of wishes. Isn't that so cool? I've never seen so many of these in one spot. I mean, it's a whole field of them. It goes on even further. You can't tell, but isn't that cool?